In October this year, Vivo will announce its latest V20 Pro. This smartphone is one of the next series of 3 versions planned by the brand. Vivo V20 Pro will be the flagship smartphone of the organization according to specifications. Today, those standards have been released online. A Snapdragon 730G chipset that was used in the X50 series already is supported. Vivo's V20 Pro has a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor that makes it faster. A 6.44 AMOLED screen with a box hole monitor is available on the device, on which there would be a dual camera configuration. A mobile will have 2 camera sets in front of the 44MP f2.0 wide plus 8MP f2.3 super wide with 4K images. Vivo will become a selfie camera telephone. The 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP dual LED, phase detection double LED flash contact focusing, geotagging, HDR, and image configuration by Vivo V20 Pro. You can also shoot 4K images with the main camera. Under the show, Vivo Pro has fingerprint, which protects the data optically. The mobile is the input phone of this series with 8 GB of RAM that makes it heavier. The 128 GB built-in internal memory for Vivo V20 Pro allows you to store your information for enough. The computer runs on FunTouch OS 11, running on Android 10.0. The smartphone's resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels. Vivo V20 Pro is fitted with the new glass safety Corning Gorilla 6. The mobile is powered by a battery of 4000 mAh with fast 33-watt charging.